Good Saturday evening. What an evening. Why do I have another skillet? And a copper skillet. There's a story. Here we have an Echo skillet. Now these skillets, it's interesting to me. Before we get to talking about them, let me show you the box it came in. There. Look at that. Not good. One of the reasons I bought this, it was just so clean. A lot of times when you see these old skillets, they have grunge, like burnt oil and food in the seams. And he had close-ups of this, and I couldn't see a speck. And the lettering was not too darked out. I have cleaned this pan, not super polished it, lightly polished it. But the letters are not pure black, and they often can get pure black after years of use. Let's talk a little about Ekcoware. A lot of the pans you see on eBay, they've got a lip, and the lid fits into that lip. The older ones didn't have lips. I actually found a newspaper ad of Ekcoware without the lip, dated 1950. I think this is 1950 or earlier. And if you go even further back, Ekcoware had these sort of Art Deco handles. I just wanted to share this with you. It's my first 7¼ inch Ekcoware. This is where it gets upsetting. I almost forgot about talking about it. Let's see if you can see it. You see it? You see it? You see that little... There's a little dent. Fortunately, it's on the corner. And if you flip it over, you can see there's a nice little gash there. And that wasn't in the eBay picture. I looked at those pictures over and over, and this pan did not have a dent in it, so the gash in the box corresponds to the gash in the pan, and I have a dented pan. Otherwise, it would have been nearly pristine. I think we're going to have to cook some eggs in it tomorrow morning.